Respected Prime Minister, I listened to your speech very attentively and I appreciate that your purpose is to build up unity, a huge, powerful unity of 130 crores of Indians. But unfortunately, Modi ji already your party has divided the people on the basis of religion. Your relentless effort towards polarization between Hindus and Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, you have already divided we Indians. How will you repair this great, irreparable loss, damage to our nation? Other purpose is to awaken the spirit of courage to face Corona. But see, your program for CAA and NRC and NPR, all these things have damaged the courage of the people, especially the poor working people of India. There is a continuous tension, a panic, whether the available documents will be adequate to prove citizenship, whether we will be sent to the detention center after being marked as devoted. This panic that has left a very damaging impact. COVID-19. But do you think switching off the light and lighting up candles for 9 minutes, that will help us in any way? The medical scientists, doctors, the medical experts, they are talking about masks, sanitizers, medicines, PPE, other infrastructural facilities, isolation wards, isolation hospitals. These are the basic needs, urgent needs today to fight against Corona. Look at other countries, what they're doing. And here you are not mentioning a single sentence, a single word about these measures. You are suggesting something which is very mysterious. 9 days, 9 p.m., 9 minutes. What is this? Are you trying to create a sense of mystery, some supernatural, mysterious force behind Corona? Do you think that the scientific attitude should not be encouraged among the people of India? Already Hindus are talking about drinking cow urine that will cure Corona. Many Muslims believe that if they go for namaz for 5 times in a masjid, that will prevent Corona from spreading. Now it is very important to fight out superstition, and this is not done by a Prime Minister. You are our elected Prime Minister. You are not a dharma guru. You should provide for the infrastructural, medical, health facilities. Your government should have imposed a lockdown over all international flights right at the beginning. That was the guarantee that coronavirus couldn't have spread all over India. But you did not do that. Have you ever thought about the poor people, the migrant workers, laborers, walking 200 kilometers, 300 kilometers, dying on the midway with their children, family, and they have no food on hungry stomach, they have no drinking water, they have no medicine, they have no mask, they have no sanitizer, they have no soaps, they have no transport.